Hi guys, how are you all? Today I'm going to start a playlist of written exam coding questions. Many people are thinking that how the questions were are, and some other people say how to analyze the question, and some other people we need to have some examples so that we can test our skills so that we can write or not. For all this playlist will be useful. Please subscribe my channel and watch this playlist so it will definitely useful for you. So I'm starting with the question Fizzbuzz. Uh, see, before starting the question, I would like to say what are we will do in this playlist and also in this video. In this playlist, I would like to say group some of the very important questions so that you can analyze. And in this video, I would like to explain the question first and also the explanation next, and also some bonus tips and also the program execution. Please watch till the video so you will get the bonus tip of how to solve it. Okay, let's start with the question Fizzbuzz. In this question, see, if this is the program and explanation in this question. If the number is divided by both 3 and 5, they are asking to display Fizzbuzz. That means we need to take the number. So they are saying that number. So we need to take the input, right? Some of the programs, some of the companies says to take input by ourselves, and some of the companies says they are already taken the input, so they are asked to write within the function. So instead of we are using print, there we will use written. Okay, please remind this. See, I'm saying the company which asks us to write the code all by one. So I'm explaining according to this. Okay. Okay. If the number, see, program question is if the number is divided by both 3 and 5, it is asking to display Fizzbuzz. If the number is divisible by only 3 but not 5, it is asking to display as Fizz. If the number is divisible by 5 but not 3, it is asking to display as Buzz. If the number is neither divided by 5 nor 3, it is asking to display neither fizz nor buzz. See the test cases here. 15. If the input is taken as 15, we need to print as fizz buzz. If the input is 9, we need to print as fizz. If the input is 10, we need to print as buzz. If the input is 7, we need to print as neither fizz nor buzz. Let's go to the explanation. See, we are taking here n is equal to 15 as input. A number is divisible by another number. That means 15 is divisible by 3. On it, how can we know that? We need to divide the input number by the number which need to be divisible. Here n percentile 3 is it must be equal to 0. That means 5 3s are 15, right? So the remainder will be 0. So it if it is divided by 0, then the number is divisible by 3. The same question, the same statement repeats here. If the number is divisible by 5 means n percentile 5 is a comparison, double comparison operator is used here. Is equal to 0, then n is divisible by 5. Okay, according to the question, they are asking to say that both 3 and 5 means if n percentile 3 double equal to 0 and n percentile 5 double equal to 0. They are saying that both means and logical operator is used here. We need to display fizzbuzz. And if the number is divisible by 3 but not 5 means divisible by 3, that means double equal to comparison, that already you know that. And it is used, both conditions need to be satisfied, right? And not 5 means you need to remember that n percentile 5 not equal to 0, shift 1 here. See, shift 1 symbol that is not equal to exclamatory symbol is used here. Please remind that 5 but not 3 means n percentile 3 not equal to 0, and n percentile 5 is double equal to 0. This to be satisfied to display buzz. If n percentile 3 not equal to 0 and n percentile 5 not equal to 0, we need to display fizz nor buzz. Let's explain in the program. Hmm. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, we got right. And they're asking to take the input, right? So we are taking input as n is equal to int of how input is taken, n is equal to int of input. And we are checking that if the number is divided by both 3 and 5 or not. So we are using if statement here. We need to use if statements. N percentile 3. I already said no whether it is divisible by a number or not. By using this statement we know. And both, right? Because of both we are using and n percentile 5 is equal to 0. We need to use this. Then we display means print statement. Print what they ask is buzz. And see, indentation is necessary after. If we put colon means automatically it will go, we shouldn't move it. Okay, three spaces. See here, divisible by 3 but not 5. By 3 means n percentile 3 is equal to 0. And not 5 means n percentile 5 not equal to 0, we need to maintain. And we need to display it as print fizz. And we need to display, we need to divide by 5 but not 3 means by 5 means n percentile 5 is equal to 0 but not 3 means. And here, sorry, and right by mistake, please ignore it. And n percentile 3 not equal to 0. Print buzz. Elif we can use else, but I am using elif. Here they are saying that neither divide by 5 not 3 means both not equal to, right? Got my point? Print what they ask, neither fizz nor buzz. Is it correct or not? Let me check. We need to take input. So n is equal to int of input. We need to check whether it is both divisible by 3 and 5. So n percentile 3 is equal to 0 and n percentile 5 is equal to 0. We need to display as like this. And if it is not the case, then we need to check this condition: 3 but not 5, 5 but not 3, neither 3 nor 5. Let me execute this program. So 15 I am taking input. Fizz buzz. We got right. Again we are executing. We are taking 9. You got it right. 15 divided by 3. So the remainder is 0. 15 divided by 5. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. And 9 is only divisible by 3, right? 3 3s are 9. It is not divisible by 5. So it is displaying fizz. Again, again I am using test case 10. 10 input is taken. The output is buzz. Again I am executing 7. Neither fizz nor buzz. Yes, right? You got it right? This is the code. Please take the screenshot if it is needed, and also the question explanation so that you will use further. If you not fully understand, please rewatch the video so that you definitely can understand. Please see. After that, I would like to give bonus tips. I said that what we are using for integer input taking, n is equal to int of input. If the number is divisible by another number or not, what we use, n percentile a double equal to 0. If it is not divisible, what we using n percentile is equal to not equal to 0. What are the operators on we are using? And or. If both conditions are true, we need to be true, then we use and. If both conditions are one condition is true, one condition is true, sorry for it, one condition is true, we need to use or. Okay, one condition is true is enough, another condition might be false, then or is enough. If both conditions are need to be true, we use and I want to say something. um, See, it is the sum of the MNCs. Write the code according to the U. Some MNCs says they will give this input, right? After that they will give some calling function. After that called function they will give. We need to write that logic here, and after writing logic, instead of print we need to use return. Okay. See, I will show you in return. Written like this, or take some variable and store like this, ls plus equal to the something fizz, and return yes. Like that also we can do it. Return is either like this, s is equal to return direct statement or something like this. Many people use like this while returning the statement, while returning something to the called a function. Like this we can use. So better to learn in that way also. As of now I will say this way. In future I will say that way also. Please watch my playlist and subscribe my video. And going back to the question, this is the question, please bus. And thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.